coming to you live, Mud Dog Customs. Look what we went and got, boys. Oh man, she got a little bit of floppage. Total restore that. That was the original color, a light green. Yeah, man. We're gonna restore this, and this is some friends of the family. Sentimental story about this truck. It was his son's. Yeah, man. He said he finally wanted to get it restored. Son will be happy about that he got it restored. Son passed away, but memory lives on. Yeah, so we're gonna get it back restored. A little bit of rust right there. A little bit in the rocker. It ain't much rust. Surface rust, stuff like that. Oh man, I know I don't like bringing them right there in the yard, but it is what it is. Bronco, first gen. How's it up? Can't see because of the sun right there, but first gen Bronco. So back in the day, my dad and them used to. I think somebody else started it, but they had them winch bumpers and real cool winch bumpers. Not that one, but he's got a set of bumpers that I'm gonna install his engine for him and get them winch bumpers. Man, they really cool. See if I can open this one hand. Not sure what motor's in it. Yeah, we're going to get it all cleaned up and tore down and then restore. If y'all like Ford Broncos, y'all like the classic rebuild, y'all let me know. Yeah, this is one of the way back in the day before they drop steering arms. Hell, we used to do it. Then a lift block. That's old school before they started making them. We had machine shops and all. We'd make our own. How about it? Yes, sir. There you go. And this particular Bronco's been in this town since I was a kid in the early 80s. It's been in the same town. Went from this guy, went to another guy. This guy bought it back. So it's been back and forth, round and round. It's cool to see the history of them. Yeah, y'all give me a like, subscribe, comment, y'all talk to me, tell me about this thing right here. Should we restore the original body, or should we buy that? Right here in Myrtle Beach, they got these aftermarket bodies you can buy for $13,800 already painted. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you would do. Drop it in the comment. Later.